Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to copy your Twitter link. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log into your Twitter account. Once you get there, you click on these three dots up here. After which you click on what to share. Once you're there, you click on what copy. So we just copy our Twitter link. We are going to paste it in Chrome. So that is your Twitter link already copied.